Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person or the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the ascendant. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's on your side, Pisces. What are your energies? What's on your side, Pisces? So on your side we have the Seven of Wands. Okay. The Devil popped up. We'll see. Okay, so let's see what's there on your person's side. On your two cards have come out. Okay, so we have the Five of Cups and the Fool on your person's side. Okay, so let's see what is the most likely outcome of this situation. It's the most likely outcome. Most likely outcome, we have the Five of Pentacles. Okay, so Pisces, with the Seven of Wands, you are definitely being defensive on something. Okay, you are trying to defend something over here. It's a struggle to defend something. On your person's side, we have the Five of Cups and the Fool. So this person has been upset for some reason for quite some time. That's what I feel. And this person is really wanting a new beginning in their life. They're ready to take the leap of faith. This person is ready to start afresh over here. They're ready to take the risk, whatever the risk is required to move ahead in life, to move on in life. This person really wants to release this energy of being upset over here. They really want a new beginning here. And they are manifesting it. The most likely outcome is the Five of Pentacles. So somebody is really feeling that sense of loss, I should say, feeling maybe ignored or rejected, or maybe they have some abandonment issues. Something is definitely there. Okay, let's see what is this Seven of Wands here. Why is this Seven of Wands on your side, Pisces? So for the Seven of Wands, we have the Ten of Swords, the Tower, and the Seven of Cups. Okay, let's see why is this Five of Cups here for. I should say why should because okay, let's see why is this Five of Cups here for. So for the Five of Cups, we have the Judgment, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords. Okay, let's see why is this Five of Pentacles here as the most likely outcome. So for this we have the Page of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. Okay. So Pisces, you are trying to defend something. Okay, see, it can be that you were struggling to defend something, but then perhaps, I don't know why I'm getting this, perhaps you were tired of this struggle and you thought of just walking away, leaving the struggle and walking away. That's what I feel. Okay, so you were struggling for something here, trying to defend it, defend your ground, defend something, defend your point, putting your point across, and it's sort of a struggle to defend something, But what I feel is that you just thought of giving it up, and you wanted to liberate yourself from it. Okay, I'm done with it, I can't do that anymore, I can't keep on defending it, so it's okay, I'll just walk out. And it is a completion of this, whatever this cycle was with the Seven of Wands, whatever you were struggling for is done. Okay, so the struggles are over. To put in simple terms, the struggles are over. Whatever the struggle was, it's over. With the Ten of Swords, you're breathing the fresh air. All those obstacles which were surrounding you are over, they're gone, and this is you coming free. Okay, becoming free, becoming very, I should say, feeling liberated and releasing whatever this struggle was, whatever the pain was, whatever it was. It is totally, you can see here, you are surrounded by so many obstacles or whatever they were, pointing their fingers on you, maybe accuse you, or you had to deal with so many people or so many situations which were causing obstacles in your path. Not, you were not able to move ahead. And here with the Ten of Swords, it is just the immediate release of all that. It's just nothing is there, it's the sky is clear, everything is clear for you, the path ahead is clear. So you're done with this struggle phase. That's what I'm like trying to say. Whatever this is, whatever you were struggling for. Okay, and now as you are able to release this struggle and move on, we have the Tower and the Seven of Cups. So what I feel is, it seems to be, you know that you have left what it was, and now I feel the Tower is, there is some sort of a confusion over here. You're feeling confused. You're definitely feeling confused over something that is there, indecisive, confused, don't know what to do, how to move ahead perhaps. It can be that you thought that once you leave this struggle, everything will be fine, everything will be good, but then unexpectedly something comes up which makes you feel undecided. Okay, maybe you have many options, and that is you were not expecting. You thought, okay, if I'll leave this, I'll move in this path. Okay, I'll be free from all this and I'll be happy. But then unexpectedly something happens which makes you in a, which takes you in a situation in which again you have to make a choice. Okay, it's coming off simply like that. Like the moment you leave the struggle and you think, okay, now my life is relaxed, now I'm fine, everything will be okay, and unexpectedly you are put into a situation in which again you have to make a choice, again you are confused as to what to do, what now, type of a thing. On your person's side, for the Five of Cups, maybe you have many options. Whatever the situation is which is leaving you confused and unexpected is the Tower, in the sense that you were not expecting this to be there. You thought, okay, now everything is smooth in my life, but then no, the jolt came up. Okay, no, it's not as smooth as you thought, there is something else to it, and now you are confused as to what to do. It's something like that. We'll be clarifying this Tower more, we'll be digging deeper into these, and I'll be doing the extended reading. The link for that will be given in the description box below. If you want, you can click the link and go to Patreon to check out if you wish to. For the Five of Cups, we have the Judgment, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords. So you are upset because I think either you've been focusing too much here, your person, either this person wanting to have a new beginning, just praying and wishing for this to come true. So here with the Ten of Swords here and the Judgment here, both of you are looking for some sort of liberation. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so for the we have the Judgment, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords. So with the Judgment being there, there is definitely a time to take a decision. Okay, and this decision here seems to be making a new move, making a fresh beginning over here, trying to release the past, making a new beginning over here. Judgment also sometimes can be as to something from the past comes to light, perhaps to you once again. Can be that it is a rebirth of a situation once again. It can be that also. The same situation coming up once again, or the same person coming up once again, type of a thing. And with the Queen of Pentacles, what I feel is that you are just giving yourself the time to come out of it, just praying. It is the time you are spending alone, and you are trying to sort of focus on yourself and trying to think as to what to do. I really don't see you making a move here. What I feel is you are trying to deal with this situation and think about it. It's the time you are taking, time off that you are taking in this energy as to so that when you make a new beginning, it is the right move type of a thing. And with the Five of Swords, something is definitely troubling you. Something is definitely troubling you here with the Five of Swords. Maybe there's some argument or something comes up, because as I say with the Judgment, there is something, can be something maybe is coming up from the past which may cause some sort of a argument or a fight can be there. That while you're trying to make a new beginning, something pops up from the past and which causes some sort of anxiety. It can be that also. Or it can be, for those of you, if it is not from the past, then it can be that while you are trying to make a decision of releasing this Five of Cups and the depression phase and have a new beginning, there is something which keeps on coming up, and it keeps on sort of uh, taking you back into the same upset energy. Can be that also. Okay, for the Five of Pentacles, we have the Page of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. So here what I feel is, since you are feeling left out and abandoned over here, with the Page of Cups, you really have a fantasy over here. You are trying to it's just a dreamland type of a thing. You want a new beginning. You are indecisive about it. You really don't know how to go about it. But then you are, yes, it is a very, very vibrant type of an energy, the dreamy, dreamy, dreamland type of a state, for which you really want to take a decision also. You are indecisive, what to do, what not to do. And here with the King of Cups, there are a lot of emotions over here. You're trying to listen to your intuition as to what to do. So with the Page of Cups, maybe you have a new beginning over here, since you feel ignored and rejected here. Maybe you have a new beginning over here which you are trying to make up your mind on, trying to decide on. And it can be this also, that if somebody pops up on your person's side from the past, or there is something like that, maybe that comes as the Tower for this person. I don't know. Well, Pisces, I'll be exploring this reading further on Patreon, and do join me there. The link is given in the description box below. Bye.